Hey guys, it's MICROWAVE here, and today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making really easy, simple microwave mug pancakes. You might think it's not possible, but it is. Let's get to it. First thing you want to do is take 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Second, and the third. Now what you want to do is you want to take 1/4 teaspoon of baking. So now I'm going to put 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Next we'll need 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. I'm using canola oil. So I'm just ready. I'm going to pour that in. So now I'm actually adding 1 tablespoon of milk too. Now I'm cracking in 1 egg. So now I'm going to stir in all my ingredients. Mix, 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 mix. Make sure all the lumps are gone. So now I mixed it and it kind of looks this yellowish color. So it should look like there's no lumps or anything. So yeah, we're going to take it to the microwave. Now I'm going to put it in the microwave. Right here. And I'm going to set it for 1 minute. Okay guys, I just took it out of the microwave and it smells really good. And it looks really good too. So I'm going to eat this after the video. And that's it for today. I'll see you back later.